Unlock your life with the Intelligent Security Biometric Mortise Lock Ymf40. Advanced fingerprint technology guarantees more secure and convenient life. Design, safety, convenience, and cutting-edge technology are combined into one device. Biometric Mortise Lock Ymf40. Design with increasing satisfaction with prolonged use. Ergonomic fingerprint module and handle that maximize the advantages once you open the door, making it even more convenient with use of time. In addition, the combination of aluminum cylinder with sturdy-looking finish gives an image of durability and reliability to the lock. Ymf40 has smart fingerprint cover, which opens the fingerprint cover automatically. It's compatible with controllers that use ZigBee and Z-Wave standard. You can use Bluetooth as a key to enhance convenience of usage. When you close the door, Ymf40 locks the door automatically. You would not need to read the manual guidebook anymore. The voice guide will help you to activate.
Language options. Set to English.
Configurar en español.
Definido para o português.
设置为中文。
Inside and outside forced lock options for advanced security. You can use the fingerprint technology with automatic cover and various PIN code to open the door. It can be used with mechanical key override just in case you miss every electronic keys, PIN code, fingerprints. The key of the digital door lock is safety. YDM40 features the fake PIN code, which allows to enter any numbers at either the front or the back of the right PIN code, so no one can peek through your PIN code, even if someone is next to you. The handle, which is located inside of the house, has a safety button. You can turn the lever handle down by pressing the button to unlock. Auto unlocking and alarm against fire. Break-in alarm activate when the door is opened abnormally. Those alarms mentioned previously enhance safety. You can set it on normal mode in general and advanced mode if you want more security using a master PIN code as needed. If you set the advanced mode, you can register 30 user PIN codes, 20 fingerprints with user number, and 5 remote controls. The one-time code improves security. It disappears after a single usage in case someone visits at your home while you are not available. When battery is low, it is indicated with a light and sound. When battery is discharged, you can easily recharge it after using the emergency power supply with 9-volt battery. The world's favorite lock, Yale Biometric Mortise Lock Ymf40, now available.